there's no definite exact o definite na exact pa. Saan ka? Diba? So, given expression by substitution, or substitution, by substituting. Yan. Hello mga Runsters! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, pag-aaralan natin how to simplify or evaluate the algebraic expressions. Okay? But before that, if hindi ka pa subscribe sa channel ko, just click the subscribe button below, and also please click the notification bell para at least ma-notify ka sa mga gusto natin videos. Okay? And our previous lesson is all about simplifying the numerical expressions. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung connection. How to simplify the numerical expressions dito sa pag-evaluate natin ng algebraic expressions. Okay? And if hindi ka pa, o hindi mo pa napanood yung simplifying numerical expressions na lesson, what I highly advise you is kung mo nang panoorin yung video na to, click mo lang yung link na to dito para at least makadirect ka doon sa lesson natin, which is simplifying numerical expressions. Mas lalo mo maintindihan how to evaluate algebraic expression correctly using the numerical expressions. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, so on this example on how to evaluate the algebraic expression, which is 3x minus 2y plus 4 if x is negative 2 and y is negative 4. On this example, guys, we already seen before on our lesson 1, and if hindi ka pa hindi mo pa napanood yung lesson 1 natin, just click the link below to redirect you on terminologies and algebra expressions para lalong mas maintindihan mo yung tungkol kay algebra and what's the function of x, y, like that. And as sabi natin, si x and si y ay natawag natin variables. And kung babalikan natin, kung re-reviewin natin yung lesson 1 natin, pag sinabing variables, it is a representation of a number, a representative of a number. So, diba? So, there's not definite value for that variables. Kasi representation siya na kung anong ibigay na values niya. Okay? So, let's start. On evaluating the algebraic expression 3x minus 2y plus 4, first thing to do is baba muna natin si given example, which is 3x minus 2y plus 4. On that example, guys, sabi nga natin, a variable represent a number. So, on this case, the variable x represent negative 2. So, mas madali lang gagawin natin dito to evaluate this one and to know what is the answer for this given example. Ang gagawin natin is yung word na substitution. Only substitution method because it is only representation of a number in terms on our variables. Okay? So, how to substitute x and y? It is like this one. 3 open parenthesis, what is the value of x? The value of x is negative 2. Okay? Minus 2. What is the value of y? The value of y is negative 4. Plus 4. Okay. So, ito na yung ma-apply na natin dito. Yung ating lesson 2 sa series natin ngayon on how to be an expert in algebra, yung natawag natin simplifying numerical expression. Kung simplifying algebraic expression, na-simplify na natin siya ngayon, babalik tayo sa simplifying numerical expression. And how to simplify the numerical expression is that, first, recognize if there is a exponential, exponent, or meron siyang parenthesis, right? And the first law, mapapansin natin, wala ditong parenthesis, wala ditong exponent. Second, multiply or divide from left to right. Kung mapapansin natin dito, there's no division, only multiplication. So, simply multiply. So, when we multiply this, eto na siya. Mas pasimplihin natin to para hindi kayo mahirapan. So, negative 6, negative 2 times negative 4 is equal to positive 8. Bakit positive 8? Because negative times negative is positive, then 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Okay? Plus 4. Now, question. Kung maaalala nyo yung lesson 2, determine the parenthesis or the exponent After that, multiply or divide from left to right. Then on the third law, it is add or subtract from left to right. So mapapansin natin dito, ang meron dito is addition, tama? But magkaiba sila ng sign. Sabi natin, if magkaiba ng sign, then addition ang pinaperform, ang gagawin natin ay ipa-minus natin, right? So, minus natin, 8 minus 6 is equivalent to 2. Then, copy the sign of the higher number, which is positive. So, positive 2, right? Plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? Nakuha? So, when we will evaluate 3x minus 2y plus 4, if x is negative 2 and y is negative 4 is equivalent to 6. Okay? And for our second example, evaluate the absolute value. We all know that these two vertical lines is called a absolute value. And when we say absolute value, always walang negative ang nasa loob ng absolute value. Okay? Mamaya makikita natin yan. Malalanin natin yan. So, on this one, when we will evaluate the absolute value of a squared minus 2ab minus 3b squared, if a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. So, first things first, right? First thing is to copy the given example, which is the absolute value of a squared minus 2ab minus 3b squared. Okay? So, what we're going to do next is to simplify the absolute value. I mean, to simplify the given expression by substituting the variable and its values. Okay? So, gawin natin the absolute value, then a is equal to 2 squared minus 2, a is equal to 2, then b is equal to 5 minus 3, 5 squared, and absolute value. So, on this given example, magagawa natin is like this one. So, balik tayo sa lesson natin on numerical expressions. And on our lesson to our numerical expressions, the first rule is identify the parentheses. May parentheses dito? Wala. How about exponent? Yes, we have exponents here. So, the first thing to do is to identify exponent. So, ang exponent natin is on the first side or on the left side, which is 2. So 2 raised to 2 is equivalent to 4. Because when we say exponent, i-multiply natin sa sarili niya. So si 2 i-multiply sa sarili niya, 2, ang dalawang 4. Okay? Then, copy lang muna natin ito. Minus 2, 5, minus 3, eto na tayo. Okay, 5. So, sabi natin, kuha yung value 5 squared, 5 to the second power, and then nagawa ay multiply yung dalawa ulit sa second. So, 5 times 5 is 25. It is 25. And absolute volume. So next, tapos na natin yung goal number 1, goal number 2. Add, multiply, or divide from left to right. So, in this case, wala tayong nakikita ang division. So, we will proceed to multiplication. So, let's proceed. So, copy lang muna natin si 4. So, copy lang muna natin si 4. Then, multiply, which is negative 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 4 times negative 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Then, negative 25, because negative times positive is negative. Negative times positive is negative. So, negative. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay? Then, negative 3 times 25 is 75. Then, negative times positive is negative. Then, yeah, absolute volume. Now, ang next natin gagawin is to add or subtract from left to right. So, mapapansin natin yung dito is yung nasa left side. Ang nasa left side natin is subtraction. So, we're going to subtract first. So, 20 minus 4 is equivalent to 16. Then, mas malaki yung sign ni 6. Mas malaki yung sign ni 20 by 4. Therefore, hindi natin yung sign ni 20, which is negative. Then, negative 6. So, we all know that when parehas sila nag-sign, ang ginagawa natin ay simple addition natin. In-add natin. Kasi parehas naman sila nag-sign. So, when we add 75 plus 16, equivalent to 91, then ang sign nila is negative, so automatically negative. Then, plus the absolute value. Tulad ng sinabi natin, when we say absolute value, walang negative entities na nasa loob niya. So, the answer for this one is 91. Positive 91. Because the absolute value is negative 91, gagawin natin siya fast. Kasi sabi natin, walang negative values or negative entities sa your absolute values. Okay? So, therefore, we conclude that when we evaluate 2a squared minus 2ab minus 3b squared, the absolute value of that, if a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5 is equal to 91. Okay? Okay, last example. And for our last example, guys, evaluate if the area of a triangle is 1/2 BH, or the half of the product of base and height. And if the base is 8 and the height is 13. So let's visualize this one. So let's proceed to this. Halimbawa, ito yung triangle. Okay? So, asan yung base dyan? So, the height is this. Okay, which is 13. And the base is this, which is 8. So, on this case, guys, so, pinapahanap kung ano yung area ng triangle na ito if ang base na is 8 and yung height na is 13. So, the first thing to do is to ibaba yung given example. So, the given example is 1/2 BH, or the base times height. Then, ang susunod na gagawin is to substitute the given volume of the variable, which is the base is 8 and the height is 13. So first things first, guys. So what we're going to do first is to multiply the base and height, which is 8 times 13 is equivalent to 8 times 13, 24, 4, 2, 8, 10. So the answer is 1/2, then multiply by 104. Now, makapansin natin dito is simply cancellation in division ang gagawin natin. So, 104 divided by 2 is equivalent to 52. So, the area of this triangle is 52. Any questions so far? So, wala na. So, on this one, let's check yung mga matututunan nyo. Magbibigay ako ng 5 example ng 5 quizzes, isang quizzes na may 5 item para dito, so that we can practice what you have learned today regarding to the algebraic expression, how to evaluate that one. Okay? Stay tuned. Hello mga Runsters, so we're back. Ito yung mga given example na pinipero ko para at least mas ma-exercise nyo pa, practice nyo pa how to do or how to evaluate the algebraic expressions. Like what I said before, sa videos natin lagi-lagi na the key to be an expert in algebra is not about to know the process, but it's all about how to practice it. Okay? Because when you keep on practicing regarding to this one, it always been magiging manonotify na yan lagi sa utak natin. Ito na yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, on this one guys, when we evaluate this algebraic expression for the given values of variable, meron tayo nakita dito a raised to 2 when a is equal to 0.3. Then b plus c squared or the square of b plus c when b is 5 and c is 4. Then m plus n minus z when m is 3, n is 2, and z is -2. Then when x cubed plus the square of y plus z when x is equal to -3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to -2. And also, the last one is number 5, 7a cubed b squared when a is equal to 1/2 and b is equal to 1/3. Guys, try to practice this one so that malaman natin, notify natin sa sarili natin, mahasat natin sa ating mga isipan how to solve this kind of expressions. Okay? And if nagustuhan nyo yung video natin yan, just click like and also share it sa mga kaibigan, kakilala, para at least mas matutunan pa nila o mas magkakaroon sila ng interest on mathematics in regards in algebra. Lalo na ngayon malapit na yung pasukan, and para at least ma-review na rin sila regarding to their lesson. Lalo na dito sa mathematics, which is in the form of the algebra. Okay? Don't forget to share the video and don't forget to like this one. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, what I highly advise you is to click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell para at least ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating video regarding to the series natin dito sa mathematics. Okay? Because after the series nito, ang algebra, we're going to have the series on the pre-calculus. But for now, we're going to focus on this algebra kasi ang key para mas mapadali natin ang pag-solve ng calculus is on the fundamental basis, which is algebra. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you mag-comment, no worries, you can comment down below your suggestions or your thoughts regarding sa lesson natin. Okay, so thank you mga ka-Runster. See you on the next vlog. Bye!